Hey, this is Ryan from Collier's Fireplace Shop, bringing you another edition of Grillin' and Chillin'. Today we're going to be doing a few things with our products that we have in our showroom. The first one is the Bourbon Infused Smoker Bricx. They make three different kinds of them. They make the white oak, the black cherry, and the hickory. They come prepackaged wet, so you don't have to soak them in water when you get home. You just take these out and drop them into your smoker, your charcoal grill. Drop it down into the coals and let that infuse your meat. Then we have the great scrapes. These are taking place of the wire bristle brushes. They have a couple different sizes. We're carrying the nub and the shovel. They're safe for any grill out there. Don't have anything that's metal on this at all. This will start to groove into your grill right away. So what you do is you get your grill nice and hot and you go out to it, and then you just start scraping on your grill. And then it'll start making these grooves into your paddles. So that's a great product that we're using. The other thing we're gonna be using is our Suckle Buster spices. Today we're using the Clucker dust since we're doing some chicken legs. We have all kinds of different seasonings, spices, barbecue, rubs, just everything that you can think of. It's one of the best products in the nation. All right, I'm out here with our Primo charcoal grill. It's all ready to go. It's at 350 degrees, and I'm going to show you our great scrape out here, what you do with it. You just take it and you place it on your grill and start scraping with it. And like I said, you want to make sure it's hot when you do it, so it'll start to make the grooves into your paddle. And as you can see, just after a couple uses, it's already started to burn into your paddle here. So this is such a better product than the bristles. So I strongly recommend using these. We carry them in the shop. So then from here, we're going to go ahead and put some chicken on. Like I said, we're doing the Suckle Buster barbecue rub here, the Clucker dust. So everybody can try that here and tell you what it's like later on. Hey, I'm back. Chicken legs are done. Hey, just to let you guys know, it only takes a few little things to make your backyard barbecue that much better and to make your food taste that much better as well. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take these legs off. We're going to enjoy these, and we'll see you guys next week. So last thing we're going to do is the chilling part. Cheers.